Okay guys, so let's take a look at a little issue that we have here. Customer kind of ignored the problem that she has here in the patio. Let's see if you can see what the problem is. A dripping hose bib. So now this is dripping pretty bad, so that means you have immense water waste. You also have other issues. This whole area here was completely wet and soaked, and that created not only damage towards the wall, obviously, it also creates basically an invitation for any termites and other bugs. So let's get this fixed. First we're gonna turn the water off. Alright, the water is off. Now we don't usually need many tools, probably something like this, right? Crescent wrench. You need Teflon tape. I'm not gonna fix the washers in here. It's just time and not really much cheaper than this, for example. I bought this for $10. It's easier to just unscrew this, put the new one on, and we also want to use the aerator here. Now usually they have a little set screw here, but this one is completely stripped, so I'm hoping to get this off. Now sometimes, like I say, if this doesn't do it, then you might need some bigger wrenches. So let's get started with this. Shouldn't take very long. First I'm going to take this one off here. I hope that the set screw is not completely damaged. Alright, we're lucky, seems to move nicely. That came off easily. And the set screw is not a problem. It seems like people might have unscrewed it a couple times in the past because it actually doesn't interfere with the thread. So let's take this off. There we go. Needs a little bit of oil, huh? You want to make sure that you put the counter pressure on this one, so that if you twist that, you don't twist off the pipe here. So you want to kind of hold them against each other. See that? Beautiful. Now that's an easy job. This could have been fixed and prevented a lot of damage a long time ago, but many people just don't really see the importance in that, or I don't know, are too lazy or think it costs a lot of money. All of that is not very smart, because the damage that you cause is higher than what the repair costs. Like I said, I paid $10 for the bib hose bib, and it only takes me like 10 minutes here to fix the entire thing. And there you go. Now let's put this I don't know, aerator, whatever you want to call it. That's it. One more twist here, they're not quite straight. Boom. And that's it. I'm going to turn on the water to see if it's all good. Alright guys, there you have it. Water is back on. So that was a 10-minute job and a $10 piece of equipment. Don't put that off. Just, you know, if you have something dripping, just call someone, or some of it you can do yourself. So, but if you don't want to do it yourself, or if you don't have the right tools, then just call someone. It's really not that expensive. Alright, you guys have a good day. See you next time.